Aerowerks vertical tray and bus bin transfer conveyors allow for unparalleled flexibility in operational and architectural design. All the system designs are able to transport soiled trays and bus bins from multiple dining areas in the building automatically to a single dish room on the same or different floor. This is accomplished with vertical and horizontal conveyors that work together to transport dishware through floors and through ceilings to make their way to the scrapping table in the dish room. Easy movement around corners adds to its flexibility. You can maximize prime floor space and centralize your warewash requirements. Here is a basic situation where the dishware drop-off area is directly above the dish room. Dishware is pushed forward and around curves and then enter into the vertical conveyor. They are then transported down and ejected onto the horizontal conveyor in the dish room. Here is a situation where the deposit area is on the same floor but separated from the dish room by unusable space. Dishware moves into the vertical conveyor and transported up and into the ceiling space, moved to a horizontal conveyor in the ceiling and across to another vertical conveyor and transported down to the dish room. Here, two separate deposit areas were required on the floor above the dish room. Dishware from each deposit area vertically lower to the horizontal conveyor in the ceiling of the dish room from opposite directions. Dishware then meet and alternate turns joining the last vertical drop and then discharged to the dish room. In all situations described, once the dishware arrives in the dish room, they seamlessly integrate with a soiled tray handling system, such as this upracking system, that allows operators to quickly scrap and sort for expedited delivery to the warewash machine. Aerowerks also offers a unique system that is not part of the vertical conveyor family of products. It is called the Space Miser, and it is an accumulator, tray, trayless, or both, that can be configured for the deposit area to be on the same floor as the dish room or on the floor above. In the multi-floor configuration, dishware is deposited in carriers that proceed forward and then down through the ceiling and continue to the scrapping table in the dish room below. They then continue the loop back up through the ceiling to where they started. Labor, space, and equipment costs are brought down drastically through this automation. These systems are ideal for facilities looking to maximize prime floor space, such as business and industry, casinos, and hotels. Customers with older buildings, such as hospitals, colleges, and universities, can freely design cafeteria space on different levels or areas in the building and not worry about having to relocate the dish room, saving significant renovation costs. Whatever your requirements may be, Aerowerks will be able to custom design a solution for your individual needs.